Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, share ako ng Pikachu. And sorry nga rin po pala sa voice ko kasi inuubo pa po ako. Galing pa po ako sa sakit. So for today's video, ang lalaro po natin is Straw is the Feeling Tower 2. Yan po. So pag ganito na lang po ako maglalaro kasi wala lang. Pero rin makita niyo po guys, kasi po, yung ano po kasi is low bat. So sa cellphone na lang po muna ako maglalaro. Pero, ano guys, wala akong mag-control doon sa... Ah! Hala, may ano pala doon. May secret na ladder. Okay. Oh. Ah! Ay, hindi nyo pala nakikita. Sorry. Okay, so ayan na po. Okay, so nahulog ako guys. And now, nakikita nyo po ba? Okay. Sana walang mag-drop. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Bro, magaganto ko na lang po guys. Wait lang. Yeah. Yan. Okay. Okay, so dito na lang tayo dati. Count ba to? Kasi guys, may secret ladder din naman po dito. We're doing pretty good guys. Pretty good. Sorry guys kung naubo ako kasi nga naubo po ako. Wala, malapit na tayo sa strong level. I think, malapit na tayo guys. Okay. Saan tayo dadaan dito? Okay, so dito na lang tayo. Pero guys, so nag-iintay po doon sa party ng avatar world ko. Sorry guys, kasi po, tawag dito, nabura ko po yung avatar world ko. Ayun guys, yeah. Bro, yeah! So anyways, let's get moving. Quite pro guys. Okay. Good. Bro! The jump isn't like jumping. Okay. Wow! Okay guys, look at that. 8. Bro! She fell. Bite it. Oh no! We're in the girl level again. Don't throw bacon. Bacon, don't throw. Bacon, don't throw. Guys, she's throwing, bro. The bacon's throwing. Don't throw bacon. Bacon, don't show, please. Ah! What? 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 Yay! Okay, she's saying sorry. It's okay, Bacon. That's why it's called. Di ba nag-i-English? Okay lang yan, kaya nga siya is a pink tower eh. Diba? Ah! Bro! Bro! Okay. Nahulog tayo! Yan siya. Bro, don't slap Bacon. Huwag ka mang slap Bacon. Hindi ko lang mas... Ay, 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 I'm quite pro, guys. Whee! By the way, guys, if you're please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys. Bro! Guys! Okay, guys, so we can make it till the end for so many dollars. So bye.